Okay, so to really master this style, you first have to understand its building blocks. Let's think of this as your Royal Rebels palette. These are the essential tools you're going to use to command your AI and bring this whole vision to life.
You know, what makes this so effective is how all these different elements clash and combine in such a cool way. You're taking these deep, rich jewel tones, we're talking emeralds, rubies, royal purples, and you're pairing them with the gritty textures of distressed leather, fishnet, and spikes. It's that amazing contrast, right? A velvet corset next to chainmail, or a golden crown right beside some graffiti tags. It's that combination that creates the signature mood, just fierce, unapologetic, and totally empowered.
All right, you've got the palette, now for the masterclass. Let's look at how to turn these elements into actual commands for your AI. This is where you learn to issue your own royal decrees and get the exact results you're picturing in your head.
The strategy here is actually super simple, but man, is it effective. First thing you do, lead with the style tag. Put Queencore right at the start of your prompt. Easy. Then get specific. Don't just say dress, you say emerald velvet gown with spiked leather shoulder pads. See the difference?